why David Eason had 2 court hearings today and allegedly showed up for neither one of them? Let's get into you guys, because this situation is pretty messy. So first off, David Eason had 2 major court hearings scheduled for today. Not 1, but 2. And both of them were extremely important. The first hearing was in regards to custody of his daughter, Ensley. The judge already ordered David a while back to complete a psychological evaluation before he could even give visitation, let alone any custody. And he's never done it, to my knowledge. He's never had the psych eval. He ignored the court order that literally played into his ability to see his kid. Then he had a second hearing, a hearing to show cause. Basically, this is where he was required to show the court like his income, his bills, his assets, everything, and explain why he hadn't taken over the bills that he agreed to pay in the divorce between him and Janelle. Because about a month or 2 ago, Janelle filed a motion saying that David hadn't taken over any of those bills and that they were still in her name and it was ruining her credit. She asked the court to hold David in contempt because he wasn't doing what he agreed to do. Then they had a hearing not too long ago where a judge basically told David, you need to show up at this next hearing and you must explain why you hadn't taken over those accounts. So I don't know if David was claiming he couldn't afford it or maybe this is just like standard procedure, but either way, he was ordered to bring all his financial information to this hearing today. And here's what's wild. David ignored that order as well. He's ignored several orders. He didn't do the psych eval. He didn't take over the bills that he agreed to. He didn't follow the divorce asset agreement that the judge signed off on. So at this point, the judge is probably pretty irritated with David. You know what I'm saying? And then today, he allegedly didn't even show up to court at all. Janelle posted this to her ex. She said, Your Honor, I didn't know he had court, even though it's posted in articles all over the internet. Like, bro, what kind of lawyer do you have? The shade, but seriously though, like what kind of lawyer lets you walk around clueless? Especially when it's in regards to 2 court hearings, not 1, but 2. Crazy, right? So anyways, now David is sitting on a missed psych eval, ignoring the divorce agreement, not taking over the bills, a pending contempt issue, and now possibly missing 2 hearings in 1 day. If the judge wasn't already annoyed with him, I can't imagine he's happy with him now. What do you guys think? Do y'all think the judge is going to do anything here? Do you think he's going to hold David in contempt? Is this going to get drug on even longer? Will there be another hearing to follow up with all of this and it'll just be a slap on the wrist? I mean, up there, it seems like David really doesn't get into trouble over anything. He also has his trial starting like next month in regards to the charges regarding Jace. That's going to be starting sometime next month. So yeah, you guys, he allegedly has an attorney, but I'm like, your attorney didn't even tell you about your 2 court hearings on the same day. What do you guys think? Is the judge going to get on to him? Is the judge going to hold him in contempt? Or will they just schedule another hearing and nothing will really be done or said? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below and make sure you follow this account for all your reality TV news and gossip quick tidbits. Bye guys.